Welcome back to the Epoxy Pros channel, guys. Today, we fixed an epoxy DIY job gone way wrong. Just in one day, we were able to transform this entire garage from tacky to beautiful. Make sure you guys stay to the end of the video where we'll be showing you our grind and seal. Before we dive into the content, guys, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's get into it. Good morning. Here we are in Pompano Beach with another terrible DIY. Our client just did this himself, said it took him 3 days. He put in a lot of work, a lot of effort. He took off of his job. And I'm not gonna critique it too hard because this was his first time. He said he was okay with the results, but it just was not drying properly. So he said he was gonna wait a few days. And then a few days went by and it still wasn't drying properly. And then his wife said, "Honey, when are we gonna move all this stuff back in?" And he said, "Just give it a few more days to dry." And then his wife finally said, "Honey, it's been 2 weeks. What the fuck is going on?" And then he threw in the towel and he called the pros to come and remove this sticky mess. A few things to think of when deciding between a DIY or a professionally installed floor, guys. Do you have the time to be out here in your garage experimenting with chemicals, diamond grinding floors? Do you really want to take up your whole weekend trying to give this a shot only to take a chance? Then it runs the risk of poor installation, such as a sticky mess. So there are some major differences. Number one, the quality of these products are extremely cheap and poor quality. This is a watered down version of an epoxy. It's a water base. It is not durable, it does not last long, and the adhesion to the concrete is not strong, meaning this floor will peel up very easily due to poor preparation and poor quality of materials. Not to mention what a headache it is to try to install this yourself. So our poor client has not only lost 2 weeks worth of work, hours upon hours, trying to fix this floor, trying to install this floor. Now he has to pay double to get it done right and get it done by the pros. The right way, the professional way. If you want to learn how to master this trade, feel free to sign up for one of our monthly epoxy classes where we teach you the ins and outs of the industry. You need no experience at all. Click the link in the description to sign up or get any more information in the comment section below. Say the word class and we will send you over all the information you need.
A few moments later.
What we are doing here today, guys, is what we call a grind and seal. We've ground this floor with 30 grit diamonds, and we are gonna be sealing this floor with a Polyaspartic sealer. What it's gonna do is it's gonna completely seal the floor. The floor is gonna become non-porous. Any spills, any liquids that you drop on the floor will just sit on the surface and not penetrate into the floor. It won't stain the floor. It's a good way to protect the concrete. A coating on the floor allows the floor to hold no bacteria. It makes the floor so easy to keep clean, so easy to wash, and it looks good.
So we taped it off because there's a huge expansion joint right here, and we're just gonna do the floor in 2 parts because he doesn't have enough room to put all his stuff somewhere else.
All right, guys, we're gonna explain a little bit about what we've done so far on this job. Yesterday, we ground this floor to a perfect smoothness. Since we're doing a clear coat, you don't want to leave any scratch marks. It is going to be a thin coat. I'm going to let our main man Mark tell you what else we've done on this floor.
So what we have done today is we cut open the cracks, we filled them with a polyurea joint filler, and then we grinded it smooth.
One of the questions we've been getting asked mostly on a grind and seal, what do we prefer to use to seal the floor? I'm going to ask Mark if he knows the answer to this one.
What we use is Polyaspartic because of the durability and the scratch resistant.
Bada bing, bada bing. Woo, woo, woo. We got a winner chicken dinner, guys. Also, poly is completely UV resistant. It will not yellow. And there you have it. Another question we'll be getting is, how do you guys apply the Polyaspartic? Let's see if Kev knows the answer to this one.
All right, so we use the squeegee to get full coverage all across the board, and then we come back with the roller and we make sure everything is nice, smooth, and pretty. That's how we do the magic.
The reason for back rolling, guys, is to make sure the consistency is the same throughout the whole entire floor. If you're just squeegeeing, you have the risk of leaving puddles. Roller is gonna come in and make sure everything is even and consistent throughout the whole entire floor.
Now we're gonna make some magic happen with our Polyaspartic sealer. Stay tuned and watch the magic go down.
What's up, guys? We just wrapped up the second half of this warehouse grind and seal job. Came out amazing. If you guys have a big warehouse space and you're looking for the most affordable option, a grind and seal is ideal. If you like the look of polished concrete, but you don't have the budget quite for it, a grind and seal is gonna provide you with a completely sealed floor, completely non-porous. Any liquids, any chemicals that you do spill on the floor is gonna sit right on top of the surface. It's not ever gonna penetrate through the sealer that we apply, guys. That makes it ideal for keeping the work area clean, spotless, stain-free. As you can see, where we split the two sections, there's a bunch of dust. This is easily just mopped up, guys. You just put water, you can rinse it off, hose it off. It just comes right up. The cost for the materials are minimal. You can charge the client anywhere from $2 to $5 a square foot, depending on the square footage. It's an affordable option for both of you guys. It's mainly labor. This process is a great process because you can get it all done in one day, guys. You can apply the sealer right after you finish grinding and cleaning. You have the option to patch cracks, patch holes if you like. That is additional. Drop any questions about grind and seals down below, guys. Do not forget to like and subscribe. And there you have it, folks. From fixing DIY disasters to grinding and sealing the deal and the concrete. Comment any more content you guys would like to see. We would be love to be helping you out.